Welcome back, David's All Natural Gym, and welcome back, David's All Natural Gym. You're seeing this on the GoPro 12 with the Max Mod 2.0 on the stick, and this is also an addition this year right here. This GoPro 10 is also an addition. This is my son's old one. This attachment here on top of the bolt will turn this way. Oops, that's this one. This one will turn this way. And this one will turn this way also. And then we have the bolt on here, which is supposed to be power this. And we have this little door over here. This volt is supposed to power this GoPro for 4 times as long as the battery. This one here, this GoPro 10 here, has a battery in it. And the battery is hooked up to this external battery, the volt. And it's supposed to be 4 times as long as that battery alone. So it's 3 more charges in here they're supposed to be. You can press record and it'll stop. You can move it to go to modes. You can take photos with it. Maybe. You can do time lapse. It's Bluetooth connected to this camera, and it tells you how much battery life you have. Battery's full. It folds out into a tripod. Well, kind of a bipod, 2 legs and then this battery case. So it'll be a bipod, maybe. A bipod with 3 legs. The reason I have this adjustable head up here is so that I can use it as more of a selfie stick also. But because it doesn't have that max lens mod, I'm going to be, out here with it, holding it up there with, holding it out like that, instead of with this 12, which has the max lens mod on it, so I don't have to hold it as far. So hopefully, those will be however many nice new additions to David's All Natural Gym. But there's the volt, and it has that tripod attachment right on it, so you can, with this tripod here, you can take it off, and it has the base of that bolt has the tripod screw in it right here, and you just screw it right into the base of the bolt, and tighten it up, and then you have a tripod attachment on it, or you can just take it off and use it as a, selfie stick. It's a short selfie stick. It's not, you can't get out far enough, but that's why I have this adjustable head that adjusts on it, so you can tilt it whichever way you want. The reason we're using it is because we can now use it. It's not going to turn off on me every 5 minutes or 5 seconds, and I have to put a new battery in it every 10 minutes. There's your volt on that little bitty cheap tripod, but it gets us by, hopefully. Hopefully the batteries are going to last long enough to do a couple videos.